What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a beautiful day. So today we're bringing you along for a dock and dine at a restaurant called Circles in the lovely Apollo Beach, Florida. In addition to the restaurant, they have a marina and a bar with live music. We've heard great things and it's been on the list for quite some time, so we're finally gonna get over there and I'm excited. Today we're gonna be putting in at the Williams Boat Ramp in Riverview. Circles is directly south of the boat ramp and it's on the same side of the bay. So it should be a quick little jaunt for us to get over there, which is a good thing because it's just a teeny bit choppy today. As usual, we will review the docking experience, the food, and the service. So let's get into it.
So head on down to Apollo Beach, see what's got going on. Once we get out of here, we're gonna turn the AC on, and they already got their AC on. So.
Yeah, I already passed the sign way back there.
Oh, okay, okay. So we can go a little faster. High and dry up there, and then Circles. I believe Circles or Fins is the. There's another restaurant called Fins, straight ahead there.
These guys have docks.
They do, but all those other people down there, they don't have docks. The water is probably too shallow or something.
Yeah.
So you spend millions of dollars on these homes, and then you don't have a boat lift. Or these people here.
Ooh, look at that boat lift.
Oh yeah, look at all this. Is this like the community boat lift boat?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Gas, $5.49 and $5.31 a gallon if you're on the water.
Not going to do that.
It says waterfront customer boat parking. Circles Waterfront. Yep, that's it.
Oh, all right. Perfect.
That's cool.
What side do you want me on?
You're good. Then we're gonna hit that port side. Oh yeah, that high dock. So you're gonna have to just.
You're gonna crawl up there.
You're gonna have to crawl up there.
All right. Miami boat ramps.
I'm in neutral here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, jump off that. Yeah, there you go.
I got it. You're good.
All right. All right, here we go. Or docking one of these might be a little bit better.
All right.
Maybe not. We'll see.
The Mister fans.
Yeah.
That's what I was talking about, getting it out on our patio.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be good, Mr. Fans.
And they even have them so that you don't necessarily need to tap into a water line. You can just fill a
bucket.
It's like a container.
This is nice and tropical. Look at this.
Yeah, look at this. Ooh, we got the traveler palm.
Yeah.
Hey.
How do we get up in there? Is this it?
Look at this hibiscus.
Wow.
Pretty.
You want outside or you want inside?
Bar?
Yeah, we can do bar. Yeah, let's do bar. We're gonna go sit up here at the bar at Circles. We've got Pinot Grigio. I got an old fashioned. So you got the Pinot Grigio. We're gonna be doing 3 appetizers today: pork belly, grouper bites, and the sesame tuna. So we're gonna give that a shot, see what it tastes like. Tuna appetizer. What are your thoughts?
Pretty good. Not bad.
Scale of 1 to 10.
6.
It's 6. Well, yeah, decimal point. Everyone knows the rules.
6.5.
All right, 6.5. I was gonna go a little bit higher with that. I'd be like 6.9. 6.9. It's not bad. I mean, it's not kabuki sushi. There you are. The wasabi kind of came out a little like a little Play-Doh ball.
It's like a Play-Doh ball.
So, seaweed salad? How's that?
Seaweed salad was standard.
Standard. Tuna was standard. I think it was already pre-done. But would you order it again?
It was pre-seared. Yeah, I would order that.
Grouper nuggets, pork belly. I'm gonna hit it with all lemon. You're cool with that?
Yep. Lemon's good.
Lemon's good. We're gonna do that. Yeah. So you got it's a tartar sauce, and I don't like that one. That white one or whatever.
Shoot.
Oh.
What the hell are you doing? That's a faux pas.
Oh, I'm making a mess here. All right.
Yeah, you should be wasting food like that.
Yeah, drop one on there.
This is pork belly.
Pork belly, all right. Give it a try. Yeah? How is it?
It's crispy.
Crispy? That's good.
Pork belly is a little spicy. It's a little sweet as well. I'm not sure if it's mango or papaya, but it's really, really good.
Ooh, I can feel that pork belly, that fat right there. A little nibble here. See that? That's good. This is fat though.
That's good.
I like that. That is good. That is good.
Got the grouper bites. Those are delicious. There's like there's no hard, like nasty breading. It's like so tender. Came out piping hot, like piping hot. Everything came out piping hot. And the seared tuna came out ice cold. I'm not sure that's...
I think they pre-did it. They probably did a whole bunch.
They pre-did that.
I'm sure they did.
Yeah.
Definitely not bar food. I mean, this is not even close.
Good.
This is...
I'll take it.
All right. So we just finished up some drinks and appetizers at Circles Restaurant in Apollo Beach, Florida. We're gonna go ahead and head back to the boat and give you our final thoughts. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Our typical boating adventures tend to slow down in the winter, so if you have any suggestions for other waterfront restaurants or bars in the Tampa Bay area, drop it in the comments and we'll try to get it on the docket.
What are your thoughts about the docking?
The docking was okay. It's not a floating dock, so I didn't have to crawl up, but I did have to step up. And I like a hitch, a cleat.
Yeah.
With I don't know, what do you call this? A pole or whatever. You gotta wrap around that. And I prefer a hitch, cleat hitch.
Cleat hitch. All right.
There's a few over here, but they're in the front.
Yeah.
So the docking was a little, there's plenty of space here. There's plenty of space if you, It's not like, so what's today, Saturday? It's not like we came here and there was it was packed and there's nowhere to park.
Yeah.
There's plenty of docks.
Plenty of docks here. So what'd you get on a scale of 1 to 10? What would you give it?
7.5, maybe?
All right.
I prefer a floating dock. Not sure if it's a high tide or a low tide, but this is the step.
Probably a low tide, yeah.
This is the step I need to get up here.
Yeah.
So if you're not as graceful as me, you might...
you might fall off or something. All right, and then as far as the dining experience, you had Pinot Grigio. I had an old fashioned. Old fashioned was decent. That was a good old fashioned. That was better than your average. How's that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was not like
bar food.
It wasn't bar food. This here is not bar food at all. The appetizers, the tuna was okay. I could use some a little bit better. I've definitely had better. Grouper bites.
Oh, I thought they were great.
That was really good.
I really thought they were good. They were really tender.
Yeah.
Really, really tender. They came out hot, piping hot.
Piping hot.
Both of the appetizers came out hot.
Yeah.
Except the seared tuna came out cold. As it should be.
Yeah.
But
not a big deal. Seaweed salad, you like that?
Yeah, I thought it was really good.
Seaweed salad, like. Now, what about that pork belly? Pork belly.
The pork belly was good. It was they had a little bit of crispiness on the outside. The sauce it was in was sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Mango or papaya.
Yeah, that was in there.
Little bits of fruit. It was delicious.
It was good.
No complaints. No complaints there.
My favorite part was because not the first bite that I got, it didn't have any fat, so to me it was a little dry.
Oh, okay.
But then when I got to some of the other part that had some of that fat mixed in there, because one piece it was all fat, but then I got a piece that was fat and meat.
Yeah.
That was really good.
I'm gonna say an 8.3
overall.
Oh, for the food. No.
8.3.
Yeah.
Okay. 8.3.
Yeah.
For the food, that's a good one. Yeah. I agree with you. 8.3. That's.
We didn't get any entrees.
No, we didn't. We just got appetizers. So
appetizers, but I was not disappointed.
Yeah.
I didn't leave hungry.
No, I'm full.
Yeah.
8.3. And did we do an overall score?
Overall. So we got docking, we got service. Service was good.
Service was good. Yeah, yeah. The bartender,
We like to sit at bars. We like to sit at the bar because you get better service. We feel right. You're front and center. The service was good.
Yeah.
He kept asking me every time we took a bite of food. He was like, "Is it okay?"
Yeah.
I'm like, "Yep,
Yeah.
good."
Service was really good. So
Service was-
Palm Beach, Circles,
Yeah.
8.3. That's the review.
That's the review.
That's the review. One bite.
One
Everybody
bite,
knows.
everyone knows the
All right. We'll see you guys in the next one.